Hi guys, welcome to the Conscious Entrepreneurs channel, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can sell digital products online for free. So the first thing that you want to do is set up or create a Gumroad account. If you don't have a Gumroad account, click the link below this video and get started with a Gumroad account, okay? So Gumroad is a free online platform that you can download your courses on, and you can basically sell your courses. And I've done that and it's worked pretty well for me, and you can do the same too, okay? So it doesn't take long to sign up. It takes less than 5 minutes to sign up. Once you're signed up, then you want to create content, okay? So it doesn't matter, pick a niche that you're in. I'm assuming that you're in some kind of niche, or some you have some skills that you can share. If you don't know any skills, then it's not a big deal. You just simply learn something. Like you can literally take a course. It doesn't have to be on Gumroad because you're not like copying people, but you can literally like read a book or take a course, or it's something that you're interested in, and then just do a course about it, literally. And these courses shouldn't go some people are selling them for 50, 60, but generally the idea is to sell them for about 10.99, 12.99. But then if you've got like a whole bunch of courses, you could be making a lot of money if you know how to promote it, okay? So I'm going to be sharing with you also how you can promote it and start generating sales. So once you've got an account, then basically there's different options of which kind of format your course is going to be, okay? So it can be audio format, it can be video format. I'm not sure if they accept PDFs like ebooks and stuff. I've never done an ebook. My courses have been audio and video. But you see, the great thing about video is that you don't even have to show your face. You can literally create a video, like a presentation kind of video, or even like it's an audio but in video format. Like you have like a image, you can have like an image and you can like talk over that image. It can be like that. That's exactly how I did my course, and it was perfect, and I got 5-star rating. People really enjoyed the course. So it's not really about the video doesn't have to be there. As long as the content is good and you're adding some kind of valuable information, that's all that's important. Some people obviously like to see the person's face, and I think that's very good as well, seeing the person talk and everything, but you don't have to do that. That's only an option, okay? So it's actually free to upload all of your courses, how many courses that you want to upload on there. I'm not sure. I think maybe Gumroad do take a percentage of the sale, but it's still pretty good because you're literally creating a course and you're putting it on a platform completely for free so that you can resell, or you can sell to people, not resell, but you know what I mean. You can sell to people on an ongoing basis. So the question is how do you get those sales? How do you generate those sales, okay? And how I did it was simply through YouTube. Now, I have a few other YouTube channels, and that's basically how I was promoting. So in one of my specific niches, one of the niches that I was into was like subliminals, creating subliminals for people or whatever. And what I used to do is I used to create a subliminal, and then I used to promote like in each video I used to promote a kind of like a healing course, because basically I took a course in 2000 and basically several years ago. I took a theta healing course, and basically what I did then is I created a course out of that, teaching people how to use that technique, and that was basically in my course that I was promoting on that channel. So you can literally do this for anything. Like it can be, you can do this for beauty, makeup. You can do it for weight loss, like fitness. The list is like limitless basically. But you would just want to make sure to pick a niche. Once you've picked that niche, then you can start creating content on YouTube related to that niche and then be promoting your offer, okay? So that's basically in a nutshell how you can sell digital products online for free. Literally, it is for free. YouTube is for free. Gumroad is for free. The whole lot is for free. And Yeah, I mean, even creating content is for free. Like literally, you can get tools and softwares that, run that do presentations and stuff, like video presentations, or you can put it together, like video editing softwares where you can just put it together and just upload it on. That's exactly what I did actually. I literally, everything I did was completely for free, and I still made money, and people were buying my courses. They were, I was promoting it on YouTube and people were paying for it. So that's one way that you can sell your digital products online for free. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, comment, and hit that notification bell so you can get more updates on my videos, and subscribe, of course. And yeah, also if you want to know more information about what I do, how I make $100 in commissions over and over again, there's a very cool tool and software that you can get access to. I know this is kind of off topic of, selling your own digital products, but this can be another very good way that you can make money. It's a very good source of stream of income that you could be generating by simply sharing a number. Okay, so you basically get a number and you then promote that number, share it to people through advertising. People call that number and that's it. It's a lead, and then the software then converts that lead into a sale. Okay, very responsive actually. That the software makes your leads very responsive because it automatically like texts them, and you can also text them as well through the software. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and take care for now. Bye bye.